My name is Farah Abdulwahab. I'm a UI UX designer at Pixotope. Pixotope Pocket is an app on your phone that will get your camera feed and your tracking data all in one place so you can perform virtual production in your pocket.
At Pixotope, we believe that the world needs maximum access to immersive content. My name is Ben Davenport. I am Vice President of Global Marketing at Pixotope. One of the barriers to entry into virtual production today is that, frankly, you probably need a high-end camera, you need tracking devices to track the movement of the camera, and then you need the graphics engine. In general, you need a studio or you need a big setup that you can take out and rig. What Pixotope Pocket does is it simplifies that down to a phone. The phone handles the video and gives us the tracking data. That goes straight into the engine, and that enables you then to create a virtual production really with the simplest of setups.
My name is Karina Schuh and I'm the Education Program Manager at Pixotope. Pixotope Pocket is part of the Pixotope Education Program because we want to lower the barrier to entry to virtual production. Our education program already gives the students access to the software tools, but this is always connected to the facility, so they will have to book the green screen studio, for example, or they have to be in a tech room for that. So what we want to do with Pixotope Pocket is to give them much more flexibility and accessibility also to the tools.
What that means for students like here at University of Gloucestershire is that they don't need access to a studio, but they can be sitting literally in their dorm rooms and experimenting and getting themselves involved with the tools and learning how they can use virtual production in their storytelling.
Hi, my name's Sam Roberts. I'm the Technical Services Manager for the University of Gloucestershire. As we all know with these types of technology, the learning curve can be quite steep. To see something from a student's base understanding, something they may have seen before, something like Pixotope Pocket is that gateway from where a student's current understanding is to the world of virtual production. It's exciting to see what's going to come out of that.
From working with an iPhone, getting the video and the tracking data into our Pixotope graphics product, seeing them play with our mascot Dot, stand beside him, take selfies, just get them to get that immediate reward working with the tools, but to also be learning something about how we can combine virtual reality with real-time video and basically their first virtual production.
I think students will get a lot of benefit out of it, but really anyone who just wants to create using emerging technologies. Pixotope Pocket is unique in that it's quick, it's very easy to learn, the connection is stable, you don't need to be in a studio, you can use it wherever you are, it's that easy.